Wow, I have been reading your comments non-stop. So many of you said, yes, we want the premix feed formula. Please show us how to mix it step by step. We are tired of wasting money on bad feed. And honestly, I hear you. That is why in today's video, I am not just talking. I am going to show you the exact pig feed formula using premix that farmers are using to grow pigs faster, healthier, and heavier. So if you commented on my last video, this video is for you. And if you didn't comment, don't worry. Today you will learn something that can change your pig farming forever. Let me tell you something shocking. Many pig farmers are feeding their pigs every day, but their pigs are still not growing well. Not because of witchcraft, not because of bad luck, but because of wrong feed mixing. You can spend a lot of money on feed and still get poor results. But today, I will show you a simple, powerful, and proven premix formula that can make your pigs grow faster, improve their health, reduce feed waste, increase your profit, and the best part, you can mix it yourself. Section 1. What is premix? Quick reminder. Before we start mixing, let's quickly understand something. What is premix? Premix is a combination of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that pigs need to grow properly. It is not food. It is a booster inside the feed. Think of it like this. If your feed is rice, premix is the soup that makes it complete. Without premix, your pigs may eat a lot, but they won't grow well. Section 2. Biggest mistake farmers make. This is where many farmers get it wrong. They either don't use premix at all, use too much premix, mix it the wrong way, and this leads to slow growth, weak pigs, wasted money. Today, I will show you the correct way so you don't make these mistakes. Section 3. Ingredients you need. Now let's go into the main thing. Ingredients for pig feed using premix. You will need maize, corn, wheat bran or rice bran, soybean meal or ground nut cake, fish meal, bone meal, salt, premix. Simple ingredients, but very powerful when mixed correctly. Section 4. The best pig feed formula, grower pigs. Now pay attention, this is a main formula. For grower pigs, from 2 months to 5 months. Use this ratio. Maize, 50 kilograms. Wheat bran, 20 kilograms. Soybean meal, 15 kilograms. Fish meal, 7 kilograms. Bone meal, 3 kilograms. Premix, 0.5 kilograms. Salt, 0.5 kilograms. This makes 100 kilograms of complete pig feed. This formula is balanced, meaning your pigs get everything they need. Section 5. Step-by-step mixing process. Now let's mix it step by step. Step 1. Grind your ingredients. Make sure maize and soybean are properly ground. Don't use big particles. Pigs digest fine feed better. Step 2. Mix dry ingredients first. Start with maize, wheat bran, soybean meal, fish meal. Mix them very well. Step 3. Add small ingredients. Now add bone meal, salt. Mix again until everything looks uniform. Step 4. Add premix last. This is very important. Never add premix at the beginning. Add it last and mix slowly and evenly. This ensures every part of the feed has nutrients. Step 5. Final mixing. Mix everything for at least 10 to 15 minutes. No shortcuts. If the mixing is poor, your pigs will suffer. Section 6. Important rules when using premix. Listen carefully to this part. Rule 1. Don't overdose. Too much premix can harm your pigs. Always follow the correct measurement. Rule 2. Mix properly. If premix is not well mixed, some pigs will get too much, others too little. Rule 3. Store feed properly. Keep your feed in a dry place. No moisture, no mold. Rule 4. Use fresh feed. Don't keep feed for too long. Fresh feed equals better results. Section 7. What results should you expect? If you use this formula correctly, you will start seeing changes in your pigs within weeks. Faster growth, shiny skin, strong body, better appetite, and most importantly, more profit for you. Section 8. Extra tips for faster growth. If you want even better results, do this. Always give clean water. Feed pigs at the same time daily. Keep their pen clean. Avoid overcrowding. Feed alone is not enough. Management matters too. Section 9. Common mistakes to avoid. Let me save you from problems. Avoid this. Guessing measurements. Using poor quality ingredients. Skipping premix. Changing formula too often. Stick to what works. Section 10. Final encouragement. If you are serious about pig farming, you cannot joke with feed. Feed is 70% of your success. This formula I shared today, it is simple, affordable, and effective. If you learned something from this video, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with another farmer, and I want to hear from you again. Comment, I will try this premix formula, or ask any question. I read all your comments. In my next video, I will show you another powerful secret to make your pigs grow even faster. So don't miss it. Thank you for watching, and remember, smart feeding equals big profits.